Salon where they do hair, nails, skin care. They asked us to come in and utilize our shock and shield program using UV light technology and an antimicrobial protectant so they can take care of not only the patrons of their business, but also the employees that come in every day and interact in this space. So appreciate you having us out. What are some of the concerns that you guys have as a business right now when it comes to hygiene, health, and safety?
I just think we have a lot of people coming in our doors from different areas, different fields of work, and you just don't know what they're bringing in and who they've been around. So I think it's important to keep them feeling secure, knowing we're being proactive.
Absolutely. What are the concerns have you heard some of the concerns from the community before or as they start coming back into businesses? What are some of the concerns they have or expectations they have of business owners?
I do feel like we've always been known for being cleanly in the first place. And I think them seeing us do a little extra above and beyond, like even when they're here, seeing us wipe down the chairs after someone has left or things like that.
Yep.
But knowing that there's already something in place to help us in that, I think is just gonna benefit everybody feeling comfortable.
We use this because it's a non-chemical kill. There's a lot of disinfectants where we use chemicals and it's a poison kill. With UV light, it's a non-poison kill. It destroys material between here and the surface and on the surface without introducing anything harmful. And so this way you can continue using your standard cleaning products and disinfecting products without having chemicals competing, because this is a one-time zap, take care of it, and then continue to clean and disinfect as you have in the past. Then we can monitor it and see where you are from a cleanliness standpoint. And our recommendation is come back every 90 days, test surfaces, and retreat as needed.
We just got done applying our shock and shield program here at GS Salon. So how was the whole process for you?
It was awesome. It was very smooth, and I think I would definitely recommend it.
What would you say to other salon owners or small business owners in your community?
I think it's a great investment to provide for your staff and for your customers so they know you're being proactive on their safety and you care about them and their families.
Absolutely. No, it's now more than ever, it's important that we're establishing good hygiene and disinfection processes within our workplaces. So if you want to find out more, go to greenupsolutions.org or call, email us, and we'd love to give you more information on how you can protect those around you.
At Green Up Solutions, we know how important it is now more than ever to ensure we're protecting our employees, our customers, our businesses, our future.